Sound of you. Here goes. In the silence of nothing, I hear you speak. In every emotion, I feel your presence. I know the depth of your conscience is an experience which is comforting and at the same time mysterious. My familiarities are the gift of you, some of which are unexplainable. It's taken me a while to understand you, but the more I know you, you make me realize you know everything before I do, and more than I ever could know. Knowing you is nothing less than a journey which still continues to unfold. A creation like you is a stunning success. Dear heart, I don't know what would I do without you.